pig sniffs along the forest floor, unaware that danger is stalking nearby. Hidden in the shadows, a tiger locks eyes on its prey, every muscle coiled like a spring. Then, without warning, it charges forward in a lightning-fast burst of speed. The pig squeals and bolts through the underbrush, dodging trees and roots in a desperate attempt to escape. The tiger is relentless, thundering behind with incredible power and precision. The chase weaves through thick foliage, dust rising, hearts racing. It's a dramatic race for survival, where only one can win. Will the pig find a way out, or will the tiger's speed and skill bring the hunt to a deadly end? Two massive tigers face off, their growls echoing through the trees. Tension crackles in the air as they circle each other, muscles tense, eyes locked. Suddenly, they lunge, claws clash, teeth snap, and a fierce battle erupts. Dust flies as they wrestle for dominance, each refusing to back down. It's a raw, powerful showdown between two kings of the wild. In the golden light of early morning, a tiger crouches silently behind the tall grass, its piercing eyes locked onto a group of unsuspecting deer grazing peacefully nearby. The calm of the forest is deceptive, each rustle of leaves, each breath is a countdown. Suddenly, the tiger springs into action, muscles rippling as it bursts from its cover in a blur of orange and black. The deer scatter in panic, hooves pounding the earth as they dash for safety. It's a breathtaking display of nature's raw power and instinct, where survival hangs in the balance with every heartbeat. Will the tiger claim its prize, or will the deer escape this deadly pursuit?